Hello everyone, welcome back again to my channel, Mr. Tips Tricks channel. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like button and the notification bells down here. Okay, first of all, today I'm going to show you on how to share Waze location to WhatsApp. Alright, okay, just open up the Waze applications. Okay, right now you can either to share your current location or the location that you want to share to your friends. Okay, you can either search, okay, just search the location that you want to share with your friend. Perhaps today I can use this Sunway big box. Alright, I want to share this location to my sons. Alright, so what I'm going to do, click on the three dots gray color here and click on send above here. Okay, right now you can send this location through WhatsApp, Gmail, Facebook Messenger or Twitter. Alright, so today I'm going to show you on how to send the location to WhatsApp. Click on WhatsApp and click on the contacts or the group that you want to share this location. So today I'm going to send to my son Kasha. Alright, and I'm going to send, just send. Alright, that's it. So I already shared this location to my son. Perhaps we can check if this open up the correct location or not. Yep. So when they open the app, they will get the same exact location. Alright, okay, that's all. For more tips and tricks, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, share this video, and like this video as well. Okay, see you next time. Bye bye.